Hi sweetie, let's make delicious pizza. To begin, we are going to be needing flour. So add in sugar, then add in salt. So over here we have curd. This one is okay. So over here we have this yeast. So now adding oil. So mix that together. So now I'll be adding warm water. Then mix. So now I'm adding the remaining flour. Just mix everything to get combined. So don't allow your dough to be too strong. So this texture is good to go. So now you are going to be adding oil to your pan like this. So easy to gather everything around. So just allow this to rest. Cover and keep aside. So sweetie, let's prepare the vegetable we are going to be needing. So I'm making use of this onion. So this is already sliced onion. Don't try to separate it for everything to be one shape. Adding the onions over here. So far you have bell peppers. So this one is red and yellow, the green and the yellow and red. So yeah, let's get that sliced. By this shape. Add that over here. So here we have this pizza cheese. Scrape the pizza out like this. You have the cheese. So I'll be needing my baking pan. I'm making use of 2 baking pan. So I first of all grease it with butter. I do the same to this one. So add the oil in the whole surface like this. So here we have the dough. Now we are going to press like this and then keep it over here. So this one is okay. Add it on the baking pan like this. So take another size of this, then spread it again. Around like this, and then we're going to be having something like this. So here we have the sauce. So that is the pizza sauce we make, and then first of all use your fork to match around like this. So take 1 spoon of it, then add. Look at that, this is so yummy. Do the same to this one. Do the same to this, and then this. So now we are going to take this pizza cheese, add on top of it like this. Add in the pizza cheese. Add the same to this. So now you take this. Adding the cheese again on top. I'm eating this cheese. So this one is still pizza cheese. So I take a little bit of it, add it on top like this. Add it on top like this. Add it on top. And then add it on top of this. So now we are going to take this to the oven. So let's give it time to bake. Then see you guys later. So sweetie, at this point, the pizza is ready. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Very, very yummy and simple. Then we have this. Ah, wow, so yummy. Very, very easy and delicious pizza recipe. So sweetie, look at that. This is so yummy. It bakes so perfect and it covers so delicious. Wow, this is so yummy. Look at this side and then it bakes so perfect. So this one is for me and my household because we are for a number and therefore all of us is going to get this enjoy. It bakes so nice, it cooks so perfect, and it's so yummy. So since you can always get this done in the space of your kitchen, it doesn't cost you a lot, and you're going to get this delicious done. Kids like to eat pizza. This one of the pizza you can always get done for the kids. I love you. Don't forget to share in my next one. Bye bye.